Just today, I released a new app called Power Project. It's a simple project manager app that has a ton of advanced features that let you figure out when your projects are due. So you can add basically as many projects as you want, but the trial version will be limited to 3 projects. Otherwise, the trial version is completely a full version, and you can do whatever in it. Full version is available for $1.99. So at the very beginning, you have these little tiles that are a visual indicator of how complete each of your projects are. So you can dive into each project, and this is actually one that I had to do before. It was actually submitting this application to the marketplace, and you can see a quick overview of all your tasks, or you can view the tasks individually, and I did this, so you can just check them off. And as you see, it has a very nice Metro style. It looks just like the planner application and is extremely fast. You can also view your completed list, and you can see they're organized by when they're actually completed. So those were completed 2 Saturdays ago, and it's all in a very friendly format, and then if it is a long time ago, then it says the date. But otherwise it's very friendly, and it says it's completed today, it was completed 2 Tuesdays ago, so it's very easy to understand. And you can always add tasks instantly from each project. So for each project, what you do is you simply add some tasks to it. Say, if we deleted the sample one, you can also share tasks via email or text, and you can even pin them to the start screen, which I'll show quickly. And there we go, so then we can have them pinned to the start screen. And it definitely looks a lot better when you have an actual icon on them, which you can customize the icons on your projects. So if we pin this to the start screen, there we go, and then we have the icon there, and it's actually done, so it's basically just fully green. And let's see, so I'll show you all the different icons you can use. So you can just tap the image and select one of the icons that you want. So then if we set that, then when we go back to the home screen, we should have the new icon coming up here. And due to the way Windows Phone works, sometimes those are a little slow to load, but they'll usually load in. So as you can see, there's the new icon, and things will flip over to tell you what you have due. Like there we see that I have those set as no due date, and I have those 3 tasks. So you can organize everything with due dates or have no due dates like you see there. And let's delete this project, and we can add a new project. So with each project you can set a due date for it, or just leave it at none, and you can select the image for them. And then there you go, you have a new project, and then you can add tasks to each project. And so the way this works is each task probably has an estimated time, so you can type in the task's name, type in some details about it, and then you can type in the estimated duration. If you think it'll take you maybe 2 hours to do this task, then you can select 2 hours. And then that way the app has an idea of about how long each task should take. So if you add a simple task, then it's not going to overweigh something that's really important. Also, your priority will factor into this, so depending on your priorities, each one will be weighted so that your completion status depends on priority and the time. And you can set the due date to no due date, or some time in advance, or a custom time in advance, and then you can select the project category. You can even set reminders for all of your tasks and customly set them to whatever date and time you want. And when you set your task there, you can view it there and open it, and you can share it via email, you can check it off, and the app even has some hyperlink detection, so if you have any websites or Twitter addresses or email addresses, it'll pick up on those right there. Everything's very fluid, fast, Metro styled, and yes, it's very basic at the beginning, but it definitely starts to light up when you actually add all your data. Plus you have online backup and restore with SkyDrive, and that's available in the trial version too. So you can back up your data, and if you get a new phone, you can instantly transfer that data to your new phone. And the live tiles always keep you updated with what's due next, and overall it basically has everything you can need for a project planner app, and shows you how much time you have left for all your tasks in a very nice and friendly format. So I really hope you guys check out my app, Power Project, in the marketplace for free or for $1.99.